When in the backcountry, conditions can get nasty in the matter of minutes, and having warm, lightweight, durable gear is essential. The BlackOvis Anchor Point Down Insulation Series checks all the boxes. It's a progression of technology and function. The construction of the Anchor Point jacket includes a durable 100% nylon exterior, 800 fill goose down, Sonic welded baffles for better heat retention and reliability, YKK zippers, an articulated hood, and zippered hand and chest pockets. The Anchor Point jacket also packs down into the right hand pocket for easy storage. The Anchor Point pant features the same lightweight nylon exterior, as well as 20D ripstop fabric to reinforce the seat and knee areas. Sonic Weld baffles keep the 800 fill goose down in place, offering the perfect warm to weight ratio. Getting the pants on and off is easy thanks to the YKK full side zips. Zippered hand pockets and a strategically placed left cargo pocket help keep your gear accessible and secure. This system weighs in at 12 ounces for the jacket and 13 ounces for the pant, whether you're heading out for the day or deep in the backcountry. The BlackOvis Anchor Point system is a must-have in your pack for long-lasting sessions, or as a backup layer if a storm quickly rolls in.